So, Borchi, what are the first reactions after a close game against Fjölnir?
First, how to say, I don't think we give the maximum, on this game. I mean, we got some motivation, but it was a lot of pressure on us about winning this game, and I don't think we take the most clever decision, during the game. A lot of mistakes, a lot of, impulsive stuffs, we're not we're not reading the game, we're just playing by impulse, and that create a lot of turnovers, a lot of bad decision. On the end, Evan was this guy, he's our leader who take the team by leading, then, talking with the ref, getting technical, and you see how trailing, I can say horror movie we had here tonight, Of course, I'm happy with 2 points, but not happy with the game. It's not excuse, it's realistically that we're struggling with injury, with sickness and everything. Now we have like 4 or 5 days to rest and try to recover during this break, and try to fix, many things in our game, especially that more important games are coming. Now we have like 9 victories, and I don't know how this is gonna reflect, but I think we have some chances for the playoff. So I think we need to use that chances,
Like you say, it's an important game to win for the playoffs. But I notice when I watch the game, you're calling a lot of plays. You want the isolation on Colin, and if he gets double teamed, you want the pass inside.
Look, I call this because Robert was guarding Colin, and obviously that's a big mismatch, supposed to be big mismatch for us. But sometimes we use, sometimes not. Anyway, like I say, every time we take some 7, 8, 10 points advantage, lead, then we going with some naive stuffs, and Fjölnir was coming back, very quickly. I don't think we have still that killing instinct, to finish the game on time. We always need to play like thriller games,
Yeah.
So, like I say, a lot of things to do. We got 3 weeks and hope for the best.
One more thing, I notice Florian, his impact defensively. He gets 5 fouls, but your team seems to be better when he is on the floor.
When Florian is the floor, our team is very, very good, I like him, but unfortunately he is in position, living in Loigavakt, and he is coming just to help because of these important games, and I'm very appreciate what he's doing for me, like as a coach and for here as a team. Hopefully next season we will have Florian, in the team, and he can, be more active on the practices and on the games.
When do you expect Roberto to come back?
Now I'm expecting after Switzerland finish the game, national team game, he need to show up immediately here, hopefully healthy. He got some tricky injury on Achilles, and I want to be optimistic.
All right, thanks a lot.